What's going on, everyone? We are live. This is the randomizing of the teams for the locker break for tonight. Good job on all you guys for getting this thing filled up in a half hour. That's pretty freaking impressive. 10:24. Here's our list. Arizona at the top, Washington at the bottom. Need at least a 5. Got an 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arizona back at the top, Tennessee on the bottom. Last roll. Good luck. Hope you get the teams that you're looking for. Final round. Boom. Cincinnati, Carolina, Detroit, Buffalo at the top. Finishing off with Jacksonville at the bottom.